Good night. This is the famous song of the Maneskin Coralin, and they use symbol arpeggio, if we can call like that. Only two fingers, thumb and index finger in the right hand. So they use a capo in the fifth string, a nut, capotasto in Italiano, nut. So with this nut, the sound is original. So it's the same tonality the Maneskin sing this song. So first we have to make little arpeggio with the left hand, put the first finger, index finger in the second string, and with a thumb and index in the fifth and in the sixth string, we make this 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. It becomes. Then it changes to fifth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and makes the same. Then goes to second position, and now be careful on the third position, but with index in the third and ring finger on the fifth. So this is the first lesson about the song Coraline, and follow the other part next video. Bye.